Hi guys, this is Zsolt. In today's video we are going to check out this box from the detailing store, and I'm not entirely sure what is inside. I've got some ideas because of course I had some alignment calls with the detailing store, but I'm not entirely sure what is exactly within the box, so we are going to do an unboxing. Let's kick it. Okay, so we had these 18 products in the box: a Dodo Juice snow foam lens, one applicator sponge and another sponge, 3 microfiber towels and 2 spray bottles. For the first sight, it reminds me to the Lotus cleaning products because the bottle of the Lotus cleaning is more or less the same, and some of the products, like those 2 shampoos, are even having the exact same color as the Lotus cleaning products. But anyway, we are going to have a look at what's the price range, because I've seen on the detailing store that these ones are at the value or budget category. So let's have a look. Okay, I quickly moved all the items to the garage. In the meantime, I also had a look on the detailing store.hu address, how much are these products, what's the price of these products, because as far as I'm concerned, it's one of those value or budget ranges, and it came to something around 100 something, 110 euros and around 120, 130 US dollars for the 18 products. So it's not bad, but I will leave a picture here. It will show Hungarian forints, but you can just easily convert it to your local currency. So yep, I don't expect too much from these in particular because they are this budget range, but maybe I will be surprised. Next week I'm on holiday, so today, what is today? Today is the 15th of June, and next week I will be on holiday, so I'm going to be able to test some of these products and some more that is keep gathering behind me and all around, and from the previous ones as well. So this one was a quick video. Thanks for watching. I will catch you on the next one, and wishing you a nice day. Bye bye.